Introducing the all-new Pit Boss Pro Series 1600 Wood Pellet Grill, our largest wood pellet grill yet, with 2 upper cooking racks and a massive 10,322 square centimeters of cooking space, making it the perfect machine to help turn your backyard into a first-class entertainment space. Equipped with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth technology, use the Pit Boss SmokeiT app to control temperature settings from 82 to 260 degrees Celsius. Monitor meat probes and much more from the convenience of your phone, so you can spend more time with your friends and family without compromising the quality of your food. 100% all-natural hardwood pellets give you the best wood-fired flavor with ease. Simply fill the hopper, turn the unit on, and set your desired temp and let the fan-forced convection heat do the work for you. Our innovative 8-in-1 cooking versatility allows you to smoke, bake, braise, roast, grill, barbecue, char-grill, and sear, all in a single machine. Become an instant grill master with the easy-to-read digital PID control pad, quick dial-in temperature range, and 2 included meat probes. Smoking meats to tender perfection has never been more convenient. The Pro Series 1600 also includes deluxe features such as a 14-kilogram hopper capacity with a viewing window and an easy pellet cleanout door, crosshatch porcelain-coated cast iron cooking grates for perfect sear marks, an adjustable flame broiler lever for direct flame access up to 538 degrees Celsius, an interchangeable griddle insert for a flat iron cooking option, a folding front shelf, a solid side shelf with built-in tool rack, and the Pit Boss best-in-class 5-year warranty. Every Pit Boss grill is crafted with heavy-duty stainless steel, making your grilling machine the biggest, hottest, heaviest in its class. That's truly dependable quality, built to entertain a crowd for years to come. Grilling done right with Pit Boss Pro Series